Welcome back. Cyclonic winds and incessant rains on Monday caused heavy damage to public properties in the state. Trees were uprooted, electricity poles collapsed. There was power shutdown for more than 8 hours in most parts of the state. This has affected water supply in major parts of Goa. Fire brigades in the state were having a tough time as they had to attend almost 150 calls in a span of a few hours.
पत्रे पडले, कुडी आली ती जाली आणि खूप नुकसान झाली. कमीत कमीत लाखभर आमकां नुकसान झाली.
आमच्या मये गांवांत ही अशीच मोठी मोठी झाडां आहा आनी हे आमकां मोठो प्रॉब्लेम जाल्लो आसा की खूब कडी आमचे आतां हेच आतां 2-3 फावटी वाद फक्त कस्टोडियन पावणे पुरते पयशे घेता, तेजी साफ सफाई झाडांची करिना, झाडांचे मेंटेनन्स नासल्या कारणान ही झाडांची मोठ्या प्रमाणात हानी जाल्ली आसा.
अराउंड आमकां टोटल 141 नंबर्स ऑफ कॉल्स आयिल्ली आसा. एरिया आसा पेंजीम, पिलेन आणि म्हापसा इतली एरिया. 141तले आमी आतां पासून टोटल 61 कॉल्स क्लियर केल्ली आसा.
ती वारें येवन ही चींच घरार पडली आमच्या आनी फूल घर सामकें जमीन दस्त जावपाच्या हाजेर आहा. तें सगळें वयर पाशे बिशे मोडून सगळे नळे बी मोडून वंडी पासून वाजल्या.
एक आंबो आमच्या मॅक्सी वेगासाच्या घरार पडलो तेन्ना आमी हेका फायर ब्रिगेडीक कॉल केलें तेन्ना फायर ब्रिगेड म्हणाली येता, पूण अजून सकाळ जाल्यार आनी परतून केलो ते आमी व्हडल्या कॉलाक गेले म्हण लागले तेन्ना रोखडे येता आमी.
रात्री 11 वाजता 2 माड रुमावर पडले. 3 रुमाचे सगळे हे तुटले. जवळजवळ 9 ते 10 पत्रे तुटले आणि सगळं ते खोली वगैरे सगळे कसं ते खाटीवर ते पडल्या.
राती 11 सुमार बरो कसालो आनी हांव गाडी दवरलेली आनी भितर घरान येयलो म्हणटा बरो कसो जालो तो आंबो मोडलो आनी समतो घरार पडलो भितर फ्रीज गेली.
North Goa was badly affected with power cuts. Bardesh, Tiswadi, Bicholi, Sattari and Perne were severely hit by the cyclonic winds.
Almost Tiswadi, Bardesh, Bicholi, Sattari and Perne Taluka is fully affected. Wind current was too much. Heavy opposite direction wind was in. Our double circuit line at Painwada TV, which is feeding to Nachnola and Porori stations, Nachnola, Porori and Saligaon station, main line, that 2 poles were damaged, fallen down. Now that is rectified. That was the major fault at Bardesh. In addition to that, many locations, maybe 60-70 cases, tree falling was there, and a few cases poles were broken. That everything is almost getting restored now. Now reports are saying that almost everywhere they are getting it completed.
IMD predicts monsoon to reach Kerala by 5th June. Usually it reaches by 1st June. Delay in reaching Kerala will also delay movement of monsoon towards Goa.
आज भी इसकी थोड़ी संभावना है, लेकिन इतनी संभावना नहीं है कि विंड इतनी ज़्यादा रहे, लेकिन कुछ थंडर डेवलपमेंट हो सकता है आज भी विद इन नेक्स्ट 24 and 48 आवर्स ऑल्सो. तो ये एक्टिविटी थोड़ी चलती रहेगी. अभी जब तक मानसून सेट नहीं होता है तब तक ये चलता रहेगा. मानसून की अभी पोजीशन ऐसी है कि केरला में अगले 2 या 3 दिनों में केरला में सेट होने की संभावना है. उसके बाद फिर आगे जो बढ़ेगा मानसून करंट के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट Prudent.
Tata Steel and SAIL are ready to restart mining operations at the captive iron ore mines in Odisha after receiving clearance from the Odisha government on renewal of mining leases. On May 16, Supreme Court had banned 26 mines in Odisha which were working on second deemed lease renewal. The Odisha government has given approval for renewal of mining leases to SAIL and Tata Steel on Saturday evening.
Supreme Court had ordered ban on 26 mines leases in Odisha. In the interest of the nation, Odisha government has given clearance to 7 captive mines which were closed by the Supreme Court order. Tata Steel and Steel Authority India Limited are the major gainers of the Odisha government decision. According to estimates, 6 captive iron ore mines of Tata Steel and SAIL accounted for iron ore production of about 18 to 20 million tons a year.
गोवा जे पळय सुप्रीम कोर्टान ऑर्डर दिल्लो पळय, फायनल जजमेंट दिल्लो पळय, तांचेर ताणें एक इंटरीम ऑर्डर दिल्लो ओडिसाक आनी ताचेर 9 मायनी जे पळय कॅप्टीव मायनी आशिल्ल्यो
ते ओडिशा गव्हर्मेंटान रोखडे रिन्यू केले आनी तांकां परमिशन दिलें ऑपरेट करपाक, कित्याक तो माल तांचो टिस्को आनी सेलाक वयतालो, ती कॅप्टीव मायनी त्यो. तशेंच आमचे गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान प्रोत्साहन घेवन आनी फुडें आमचे गोंयची मायनी रोखडे चालू करूंक जाय, कारण की थंय ऑलरेडी जाला न्ही, ऑन द सेम बेसीस, सेम ऑर्डर, सिमिलर ऑर्डर.
रिजन दिला नॅशनल इंट्रस्ट.
नॅशनल इंट्रस्ट म्हणजे गोंयचो सुद्दां जो पळय माल वयतालो एक्सपोर्टाक, तातूंत वेल्युएबल फॉरेन एक्सचेंज येतालें, आनी ते सुद्दां नॅशनल इंट्रस्ट न्ही. गोंय कितें इंडियाच्यान सेपरेट कांय न्ही, ते फॉरेन एक्सचेंज जे आसा पळय आमचे सरकाराक वयताले, सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. त्या शिवाय 30% एक्सपोर्ट ड्युटी आशिल्ली, 10% रॉयल्टी आशिल्ली, हे सगळे आमच्या नेशनाक वयताले न्ही. अशें ना की गोंयान कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन करूंक ना. गोंयचो जो एक्सपोर्ट आशिल्लो आनी वेल्युएबल फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मेळटाले, जाल्यार गोंयच्या सरकारान ताचेर विचार करून रोखडो ताचो तोडको काडचो.
Decision of the Odisha government can prove a precedence for Goa as Goa's case is similar. Supreme Court has termed mines in Goa as illegal, citing non-renewal of leases after first renewal from 1987 to 2007. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Schools are reopening on Wednesday, but government is yet to notify its MOI policy. Director of Education informed Prudent that policy will be notified within the next 10 to 15 days. Till then, old policy will be in force. Father Zefirino D'Souza of Diocesan Society has informed that it doesn't matter whether government notifies MOI policy or not, as their grants will continue irrespective of the notification.
State Cabinet had approved medium of instruction policy 6 months back, but till date, government has not notified the policy. Schools are reopening from Wednesday, 4 June. We contacted Director of Education Anil Pawar to clarify on MOI issue. He said MOI policy to be notified in next 10 to 15 days. Till then, grants as per old decision. Nothing wrong in going ahead with old decision till the policy is notified. Father June14 D'Souza of Diocesan Society has cleared that irrespective of the notification of MOI policy, their schools will be receiving grants regularly.
Notification आज ना फाल्यां येतली. सद्याक आमकां कांयच प्रश्न ना. इस्कॉलान चलता तशी चलतली. Grants आहातूच न्ही. There's no problem for us with grants. Grants are going on as before. Though we have changed from Konkani to English, there's not been any problem with this. फाटली जावन आतांची पॉलिसी प्रमाणे is the same thing.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.